Now we are going to study about triplets in Vedic mathematics. And so before that we should learn Pythagoras theorem. Okay, it is about the right angle triangle. So one time I would like to tell you, suppose here that like one right angle triangle is there with us. Right angle triangle is what? Where one is the right angle. Okay, so here in this right angle triangle, the side in front of right angle is called hypotenuse. We know it. Okay, and so what is Pythagoras theorem? For example, suppose we have named it like that. Suppose this hypotenuse is A, this is B, and this is C. Then what is Pythagoras theorem? We know it. Square of hypotenuse is equal to addition of the squares of rest of two sides. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Is it clear? Okay, we are not wasting time on it. Okay, so sometime we need to find the values. Suppose out of those three sides, two sides value has given. Then we are going to find, we find another side's value. This or this may given and this to ask, or this and this has given and this to ask. In this situation, what did we do? Okay, that was the formula, no? A square is equal to B square plus C square. Then suppose this and this value is given, then we should find the square of it, then should subtract this square from it, and then we would get square of it and its square root we should find. So it becomes a little lengthy process. So in this situation, what can we do? We just keep in mind, only 4 Pythagoras triplets. And with the help of those 4 triplets, we can make as much triplets as we can, and we can use and applicate in our example. Just see which are those 4 triplets that we should keep in mind. Okay, so out of that, the first triplet, which is very easy, it is 3, 4 and 5. Very easy to just keep in mind. It is the first one triplet that is to keep in mind. Then after it comes next odd digit of 3 is 5, 12 and 25. Next of it again, next odd digit is 7, 24 and 25. Here little correction with me, I am sorry. It is 5, 12, 13. Okay, and fourth one triplet is 8, 15 and 17. That's it. Only 4 triplets. And also some relations between the numbers I would like to tell you, so that your learning would be forever. Okay, so see, just observe first triplet 3, 4, 5, and if you would observe those 4 numbers 4 and 5, just add it. 4 and 5, 9. 9 is square of 3, means 9 is square of this first one number. Okay, here also like that is there. Just add 12 and 13. 25 is square of 5. 24 and 25. Addition is 49, square of 7. Oh, so it is funny, no? Yeah, and here also little relation is there. 15 and 17, 32. Its double is 64, and 64 is square of 8. That's it. Okay, just you keep in mind those 4 triplets. All 3 have similar nature, and this has a little different nature. You can just keep in mind. Okay, so with the help of that, all the triplets, Pythagoras theorems, all triplets, how can we learn? That is simple. Suppose here it can be like that. Here suppose, according to my just telling, suppose it is 15, then it can be 12 and it can be 9. Okay, this is also one Pythagoras triplet. Okay, so what is the relation of those numbers and those 4 triplets? So if we will observe just 9, 12, 15, then just only see, it is 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. So basic triplet hidden in that is 3, 4 and 5. That's it. Okay, so not just only each and every, I mean here what did we understand, that 3 times only. Okay, so here we can say this triplet has been multiplied by 3 to form new one triplet. That is only our understanding, and not always not always by 3, it can be by 4, by 10, by whatever, or not only just multiplication, also we can make new one triplet just by dividing the triplet of those 4. Okay, in that way we can use those basic 4 triplets to find. So this will help you in your competitive exam. So don't find the third one given number side by just only traditional method. Just by observation you can understand what out of 4 triplet has been hidden in your given example. That's it. Thank you. Okay, so in this example we will understand how to use our triplets in the given example. Suppose here is one example has given length AB is equal to 24 centimeter, length AC is equal to 32 centimeter. What is radii of the example? What is the radii of the example? This is a question. Then this only portion is the radii we are going to find. Suppose it is O. So we can understand that if it is radii, then diameter is CB. So let us find diameter and half of it to find the radii, that we have understood. So here it is right angle. It is 24. It is 32, and square of it togetherly is square of this hypotenuse, means diameter of it. Okay, so before solving, just I am observing that, I just observe that it is 8 times 3, it is 8 times of 4. So I realized here is a triplet 3, 4 and 5. So here is 5, but what is 8 times of 5? 40. So I understood diameter of this circle is 40. If diameter is 40, so definitely radii is 20 cm. That is our answer. That's it. In that way, very easily we can solve our example. Again, just one time I will explain you. Here by observing 24 and 32, I understood that 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. Means what? Just our triplet 3, 4 and 5 has been multiplied by 8, 8, 8 just to make new one triplet. And so here is 5 in our original triplet, but 8 5s are 40 came. So directly radii we could find 20. Thank you.